So I think next participant is Nishant
Yeah,
Kulkarni.
next, Nishant ji.
Hi all, can you hear me?
Yeah, Nishan, we can hear you. Let's start.
I'm CA Nishant Kulkarni. So I'm from Nasik, Maharashtra, and I have prepared a utility in Excel which is helping me to fill the 15 CB. 15 CB, everyone knows, is a CA certificate which is given by practicing CA for all foreign payments, and we can fill that and like do the online version of income tax portal, or we have offline utility. So I have seen that many times online lags, or it takes much time, and if you want to give lot of 15 cbs at the quarter ends to the companies, then you will have to spend much time. So I have prepared my utility. I'll quickly share my screen. Yes, can you see my screen?
Yes, now we can see.
Okay, so this is Excel based utility coded in VBA code. So what I have done is I have done two tabs. One is master data. In master data, I am taking the data which is chartered accountant specific, and whether you are issuing 1 or 100 15 CPs, the data is remaining same. So this is the starting and this is ending data which we have to fill once. Here is the path where you want to save the XML after its generation. So generally I am saving it in C folder only. So in C folder, this is my folder, and here is XML. Here all the XMLs will be saved one by one. Now uh, the second tab, details of remedy. Here I have just copy pasted all the required fields from 15 CB income tax utility in my Excel, but in a horizontal format instead of vertical, so that here I have filled just one, I can fill like 50 or 100 at the same time. Okay, and I have given here validation checks, like 50 characters are allowed, 50 is allowed as per income tax utility. I have grayed out the areas based on, like, here if it is India selected, then it is not allowed. If it is not selected, then it is allowed, and everything like that I have created. Then I have also created a validate forms button where it validates the form. So now it is 0 errors. So if I write here something, firstly it will not accept, but Excel's problem is if you copy paste it, then it will accept. At that time my validate button will validate it and ask you to change it. Now here is the date. Let's say I, instead of slash, I am using dash, which will not be accepted in the income tax portal. So just 1 second, I will just try to copy paste here. See, here it is accepting. So data validation is not taking care of this. So that's why my validate forms, now it has 2 errors. So if you go to errors, it clearly says BF5 cell must contain numbers only. So here I will have to only add numbers, and then in BG5 you have to only DD/MM/YYYY. So slash is important. Then only income tax utility will accept this. So validate forms I have created just so my code should not fail. That's why validation is very important. And I am like, validation form checks all the columns and all the rows which are filled, so that you will not miss anything. So once this is filled, you will just have to click the XML prepare XML button, and now I'm just sitting doing nothing. It will take the data and fill it completely as it is, one by one. So it will just take 2.5 minutes. So I have tried to run. It takes 2.5 to 3 minutes because I have slowed down the speed, because I have seen in like, tried to make this in 3 4 machines. Some machines do it fast, some machines don't reply fast. So that's why the speed is lower. So the idea to develop this tool came from my client, wherein the client is taking 15 CVs from another chartered accountant, and at quarter ends he struggles like 1.5 day, 2 days to just fill 15 CVs, then for 2 days 15 CAs, and it takes him lot of time. And our payment is also done sometimes, but 15 CAs are not in place. So that's why I just thought that I can develop this tool so that it will help us to basically not only automate the procedure, save our time and save our staff's time. So the beauty of this tool is it is in Excel, so you can be much reliable that your data is not going anywhere outside, it is only with you. Then you don't have to install anything into your laptop, it is just an Excel file. So yes, it is all details are filled, it is validated. Now it will save on the respective path which is given to him. And I am saving data with 1 and A. So 1 is a serial number and A is a name of the party. So like that, if there are 100, it will do from 1 to 100. So if sometimes I have seen that the code fails, but we can easily find out which form is not being created, like 50th or 30th, based on the serial number. So that also avoids that we don't have to search anything after this. So yes, my utility is done. Now I will just go here. Here is the XML, which earlier was not there. So this is tested and almost 50 to 55 form 15 CBs is being generated and uploaded on income tax website, and they are properly validated, no issues with that, because I'm not doing anything myself, it is just an income tax utility. And just a short PPT what I have prepared is, so this is a 15 CB utility. Manual entry is time consuming. So if I just tell you 15 minutes, I can say I will require 15 minutes to fill the details in online process. This is taking 3 minutes. So 15 minutes into 50, it is 12.5 hours, which this can be done in very less time. Then you can use this for large number of forms, but if you are a sole proprietor and you don't have staff, you can use it for 1 or 2 forms as well, because you can just copy paste this whole line, and whenever next time you want to give same 15 CB, you can just copy paste here, change date and amount and just issue it again. So single form also, more number of forms also. Okay, it accuracy is maintained because whatever is in Excel, it is copy pasting. There is no errors in that. I've already shown live demonstration. Okay, 70 to 80% of time is being saved. Manual errors are not there. Data security is maintained. No installation required. So that's it from my side. It's very small but very effective utility, I think. And yes, I'm open for questions. I think I've taken much less time than what I have.
Yes.
Yes,
sure.
very nice. Yes, very nice presentation, Nishanji.
Thanks.
My question to you is the same question, that how much time does it took to make this make this tool? And again, you can just show me the VBA code or whatever code you made.
Okay, just 1 second. I will just show you my VBA code once. Uh, so
And
these are my, yeah.
so where you generated this code and how much iteration it took to get the final code?
Okay, so generation, I have done the basic starting generation. So see, I am trying to learn VBA from last 3 years, but it was so much fast after ChatGPT coming in, because my mostly earlier I used to do from Google. Now I can just give ChatGPT and get the answer back. So
Correct.
now I can read the code, I can know the code whether it is going wrong, but sometimes still I'm not pro in that, therefore I cannot do myself. So I gave idea to ChatGPT. ChatGPT has given me steps. So now I know what to do, how to do ChatGPT is giving me. So this is my whole code.
Hmm.
The code is repetitive actually. So basically the thing is it is only going to another tab. Either you are choosing from drop down line item or you are writing something. There is nothing like different in. If you see in 15 CB, it is just simple. Just 1 second. So just going, either you are writing something or you are choosing from drop down. Only this code I have to write.
Okay.
So every time if drop down is there, what to do? If writing something is there, then copy paste. So only this code I have to write. So I have generated once and used it many times basically. So
Mhm.
this was there, and validation macro. I have gone like from each line item. Here it says maximum 50. In pan it
Mhm.
says something. So by going in each and every like the part, and I have created validation macro like that. This is
Okay.
also big but repetitive code. So
Mhm.
basic tool I use ChatGPT. The time I took to complete this is more than a week, because
Okay.
I was not doing it like full day, maybe 1 2 hours a day or so. So more than a week or 2 weeks you can say. And earlier it failed many times, but then I iterated it, and then like this is the final version where I have actually tested it on actual data.
Only thing is what I observed in that this automated filling of the 15 CB utility, that in your tool, the tool selected the Belgian franc, but in the final currency amount in INR it was showing something, but in foreign currency it was showing zero. So this must be a validation error.
Where? Just 1 second.
Yes.
So just 1 second. I'm
No, you
going.
can no, you can check it afterwards whenever you get the recordings of the lecture.
Okay,
Over to you,
amount payable
Rohit
in
sir.
foreign currency is zero. That's what you're saying.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, but
Because if
that's
we
my
are
input.
filing, no, if we are filing 15 CB, then definitely there should be currency in both as well. Like
No, no,
if
no,
you
no,
have
no.
selected Belgian franc, then the remittance amount, the remittance amount in INR, and then the remittance amount in foreign currency should also be there. This should be your one of the validation point,
Okay,
because
I got. I got.
without it, your XML should not be generated. This XML can be generated in utility, but that filing may not be accurate.
Correct, I understand. So basically, currently, I incorporated only those validations which are validated by XML. And frankly speaking, I have not validated any my own things. Good point. I can incorporate those extra
Yes,
validations as well.
because without it, your client or you may file a wrong 15 CB.
Correct. So extra validations from my side, I can put in. Take on your
Yes.
point. I can add those validations.
Now, otherwise, it was very good presentation. Over to you, Rohit sir.
Okay, thank you so much, Shubham. Thank you so much, Nishant, for the nice presentation. So
Thank you.
first of all, I want to ask that why you not put the rule inside that there is a validation button is there. Why not the fixed rule button is also there? You can automatically fix your data format and everything when there is a rule. You can fix if there is a hyphen, you can change it to the slash. You can do that also. I think it can be done by this PBA code only. Another thing,
Okay.
why we are using utility, why not we created a JSON file? You cannot upload JSON file directly to that XML file or JSON file directly to the portal. It is not possible.
I think
15 CB.
15 CB XML is accepted, I think, on
We can do that, yeah. Why not our code generate directly that the XML file? Why not we are doing this? There's a it is a tedious process. One done like this. It's like the computer is working like this. You know, the software are working like this. Now utility they are filling the utilities. Why not we create directly a file and upload it to that portal? This one is one of my question.
okay,
One
I
more thing I
can try.
want to ask that uh, so there is a and then there is a in their code there is a sleep 1,000, sleep 10,000, sleep 1,000, sleep 10,000. Why there is these is always there? It's
So
iterations are there.
no, no, no. Basically, those
Bec-
sleep is the time taken after going next cell. Wait some time, because when I have like I'm using, I have tried to use it in my like desktop, which is old desktop, my other laptops. So if a laptop is not like doing like working same fast as my utilities, then my codes may fail. I don't want my code to fail. Better it can be slow. So that's why I am asking it to sleep. That is, wait some time and then start. So
And why is it different? Why it is different? Sometimes it is 100, sometimes 1,000, but sometimes
Acha,
10,000.
no,
Why so?
that's not actually consistency. I haven't thought for it.
I don't know why you put this like this, and again, it's a different varieties there. I don't know why. So it's
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, it's
Thank you so much for that your presentation. I love VBA because I am started my journey with VBA. So love to see VBA
so
codes.
just
So
one
thank you so
answer
much,
to
Nishant.
you, like generating direct XML from Excel might be
Yes,
possible.
this is
It is
very nice. We
possible.
can do that also. And
Yes.
when you upload it now, it will automatically validate the things. And you can also provide the instruction to that. There's a 15 instruction and XML generation instruction also there in the website. Download that and provide to that GPT and Gemini. They will easily draft your code according to that instructions. It will
Okay.
help you. Okay. Thank you, Nishant.
Thank you.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Yes. Thank you so much.